What's up everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial punk from Fortnite. Today I'm on a landscape page, use a pencil and eraser and hit pause if I go too fast. This is a Patreon request from Son Gordon. So it's a jack-o'-lantern basically. So we start with the eyes, curve it up like that and then around. Like so. And then in here is like a candle flame sort of thing. Like so. That's like glowing orange inside there. Sometimes you can have like an extra sort of three-dimensional edge to these things, curving around like that. Other one, just down from that a little bit, his head is tilted. Same thing again, curve line up. And then we go around. Like so. And then the fire in the eye. Like that. So mouth, big jack-o'-lantern, smiling, cut out sort of teeth. So you just add these square teeth coming across. Up, down, up, down, up, down. And then a smile just around the eye. We go down the other way. Down, and we can make them look three-dimensional when we put an edge to them, right? And I'll show you what I mean. Right, so it's all black inside there. But on this side, right, you can see like, say like, what would I say? Like some like back lines to it, if you want. See, like that. Kind of a thing like this, and sometimes like at the back of these teeth, maybe something on the edge here as well. Right, just makes them look a little bit 3D. Then his head. So we've got like this round sort of collar here. It's got a bumpy white section that comes down like so. Right, and then the collar will come around. This is the front and back of his collar, and then the head comes out from there. So you just curve it around. Boom. We got a bump line, another one, and then back around to there. So a jack-o'-lantern will have like texture lines that come down like so around it, because it is a natural object, so it has textures. And then the tip top of this spirals out and around. So yeah, spirals there, and then like down back into the top of the head. Like a little leaf sticks off here. So then shoulder comes out down. It's like he's got like a line coming across here. And his other shoulder comes out down, and we got a hand coming up here. You can just see his body and like his armpit here. And he's got this symbol. On his jacket, and then a black line coming across. his clothing. So we have a hand coming up here holding a baseball bat, so just comes up this way for his jacket. And then the bottom of the hand is like this W shape here, and he's got fingerless gloves on, but we just draw like the shape for the thumb first, just there, and then his index finger touches the thumb, comes out like that, right? And 3 more knuckles here, 1, 2, 3. The handle of the baseball bat comes out from there. And then fingers, 2, 3. So each of these is like a finger. And then, so fingerless gloves, right? And he's no fingernails. Interesting. And then he's got like a spiral line coming around here. Orange. Like that. Oh yeah, and a glove line on his hand there. So then the rest of this baseball bat comes up behind his head. And that curved sort of section that baseball bats have at the base. There. And we got wrapping or like tape on the bat down here, and then the bat comes around like so. And you got like a little black branch that's like on fire as well at the end. We have a Halloween-y type character. And that looks like it has like some textures on it and stuff. And what, oh, he's another baseball bat like hanging around his waist. And the handle sticks up there. And then like strapping on that. Punk from Fortnite. Thanks for the request, Son. Hope it's helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.